Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you your personal favorite, the 1 gram gold tissue saree with 3 unique color combinations, same designs, 3 color options. We have more than 4,500 plus designs ready to ship, so must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our applications in Android and iOS device. For more information, you can connect in our customer executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime with any language support. Total we are providing 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. If you like our collection, then like chandi, share chandi, subscribe chandi. Our YouTube channel must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand and daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point and your requirement of this luxurious fill foil. Let's start the video. Here you can see the very pretty, the light peach color combinations with a dark magenta color combination, double Ikkat style border with elephant and peacock elegant. The middle parts you receive the Bantex fusions and Rudraksham border in a silver zari. With second color options, you receive the pista with a blue color combination, chala super the color combination, luxurious materials in affordable price point. And last but not least, the one of the trendiest color combination, the neon English yellow color combinations with a bright pink color combination, trendy color combination, the candy color combinations in a luxurious 1 gram gold tissue material. Let me show you the one full look of this saree. Entire the body you receive the flower zari weaves with a resham highlighted parts in entire the body with a contrast rani pink color combination, silver zari weaves, the rich pallu parts. Here you can see the silver zari weaves, rani color combination, the rich pallu. In border part you receive the pink color combination, the elephant and peacock patterns in entire the body, and body parts you receive the elegant flower patterns in a weaving format. Here you can see the 1 gram gold tissue material saree. This saree you received at just rupees 1695, free shipping all over India. Let me show you the closely of this bright pink color combination with silver zari weaves. Here you can see the Rudraksham borders with elegant elephant and peacock buttas in entire the border part. Here you can see the silver zari weaves with pink color combination, this fully brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.